I am Dr. Paneerselvam.
My dear friends, this video is about Swast's new technology. That is technology on robo. Robo technology was invented by the students of IIT in Chennai. ஸோ சாதாரணமாக நீங்கள் வந்து எய்தர் அட் ஹோம் ஆஃபீஸ் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ் ஆர் ரோடு இங்கெல்லாம் வந்து எல்லாம் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக அந்த பைப்ஸ் வெதர் இட் இஸ் ட்ரைனேஜ் பைப்ஸ் ஆர் வாட்டர் ட்ரிங்கிங் பைப்ஸ் திஸ் ஆர் ஆல் பிகம் சீல்டு. ஏன் அப்படின்னா இஃப் அட் ஆல் எனி லீக்கேஜ் ஆர் எனி திங் இஸ் சஸ்பெக்டட், you have to break a lot of areas, whether it is a house or institution, wherever it is, we have to break the wall or break the earth, the road எல்லாம் break பண்ணாதான் then you will able to know where the problem is. Then again the suitable solution will be applied. இதற்காக வந்து they have found out one robo that's called as first technology. இந்த டெக்னாலஜி என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, இது எங்கே போய் என்ன பிரச்சனை இருக்குது அப்படின்னு it will have a sensor to identify the problem where it lies. கரெக்டாக எக்ஸாக்டாக பண்ணும். Then again that will also give the information to the next robo that what is to be done. So the suitable strategy, the suitable steps will be taken to arrest the problem. So this is one of the very effective and best solution, because all along we are spending lot of money on this. Even sometime we may not be able to discover. When you dig one place, the problem may occur in the other place. So we don't be very sure where the problem really occurs. So to identify the problem, we have to spend days together. Secondly, we have to spend more money. Then again, more manpower will have to be deployed. And finally, one day we may do it or we may not be able to identify. Then again, the traffic will be stopped for some days till the problem is identified, till the rectifications are being made. To resolve all those problems, now the technology which has been brought by these IIT students, we have to salute them that robo will be applied, will be in a job to know where exactly, whether it is a leakage or broken or the stoppage, whatever it is, because if the flow is not properly occurring, it identifies. Then again, suitable steps. So this is one way, that is very quick action, the quick identification and quick steps to be made to arrest the problems, and cost is also highly economical, and wastage will also be very less. So overall, நமக்கு A1, that is artificial intelligence, has really brought us an effective solution as far as the water issues are concerned and the drainage is concerned. So this was given to our notice only the last week. It has been submitted to government for further implementation. Probably it will be in practice very soon. So we are really thankful for the job is being done by the students of IIT for the benefit of the state, nation overall. Maybe the problem is a small problem, but when you look at it from the economic point of view and the time conscious point of view, it takes a large number of days as well as a huge amount of investment. So I think every one of us very happy to receive this discovery, as well as we have to salute the students who has developed this robo for the benefit of the society. So this information I am sharing to my audience. Thanks for listening. Thank you very much.